Hey guys, welcome to InfoTek Updates. Today, in this video, I am going to show you the changes and improvements in the release preview channel of Windows 11, for versions 22H2 and 23H2, build 22621.5126, and 22631.5126, KB5053657. So, without further ado, let's begin. The new features described below are not available to all insiders, as they are being rolled out in stages. Extended support for text scaling has been implemented in Explorer, the Open and Save dialog boxes and the File Copy window. Text scaling is configured in the Settings app, then Accessibility, and select text size. Fixed an issue for Japanese users, where the name displayed at the top of the accounts page was shown in the format first name last name, instead of the expected last name first name format. The new Settings app homepage has begun rolling out to enterprise PCs, managed by an IT administrator. The page will display some existing cards, such as recommended settings and Bluetooth devices, as well as two new cards, that provide device information and enterprise-specific accessibility settings. In the About section of the Settings app, cards with device characteristics have appeared. With their help, you can quickly find out the model of the installed processor, the amount of RAM, the graphics adapter used, and information about the hard drive. A new virtual keyboard layout is available in Windows 11, which is designed for Xbox gamepads. The new keyboard layout offers an intuitive interface, with vertically arranged buttons for easy typing. For convenience, the buttons on the gamepad are equated to certain keys. For example, X is responsible for backspace, the menu button is Enter, and Y is the spacebar. Fixed an issue that could restart when copying data from some applications. An emoji icon has appeared in the system tray on the taskbar, with which you can quickly open the emoji panel. Change the way Task Manager calculates CPU usage on the Processes, Performance, and Users pages. All pages will now use standard metrics to display CPU usage, which is consistent with industry standards and third-party tools. To maintain backward compatibility, a new optional CPU usage column is available on the Details tab, displaying the previous CPU value used on the Processes page. Voice access commands can now be spoken in natural language using synonyms, rather than being tied to rigid predefined commands. This change is only available on Copilot Plus PCs with Snapdragon processors. The location history feature has been removed. This was an API used by Cortana to access a device's 24-hour location history when location tracking was enabled. Once the feature is removed, location data will no longer be stored locally on the device. The corresponding settings have also been removed from the Settings app, then Privacy and Security, and select Location page. This update adds Noto fonts for Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. Added support for a new feature in the Filter Manager, that extends the system's ability to notify applications about changes in directories, minimizing I/O operations. Fixed an issue where some troubleshooters, in the Tech Support app could not launch in a remote desktop session. Updated COSA profiles for some mobile operators. Fixed an issue with USB-connected printers, that support the USB print and IPP over USB protocols, which could cause the printer to print text with strange characters and network commands. Fixed an issue for users with profiles redirected to a network virtual hard disk, where a certain failure could cause the operating system to crash. So, that was all the information related to this update. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.